And guys, today we will do the level how much. So without any further ado, let's get into it. In this level, we're going to use arithmetic, basic syntax, and properties, strings, variables, and geometry. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so now we are just going to go over the equipment. You don't need anything like good because we're not fighting. All you need are the nice glasses and a stone which can help you. So all you need are nice glasses, stone, and the programmation code, because we're gonna use math to code out the value of how much a plot of land is worth, or the garden. CodeCombat launched its beta in October 2013. Okay. So you can say whatever you want, but it only depends on the bill amount. So I can change it. It only depends on the bill amount. Okay. So now let's reload the level. Okay, find the perimeter. What is the perimeter? It's 2W plus height. So 2W. So it's width plus width plus height. Height plus height. That is perimeter. Perimeter. Okay. And like I said, you use fence price. I think it's a function. And you use the fence price to calculate the vessel. So price equals fence price. I don't know, maybe times, because you're trying times perimeter. Find the area of the garden in square meters. So area equals height times width, and you use lawn price. So lawn price cost total cost is equal to lawn price times area plus I think price. Next, the total cost excellent guys, so I think this is it. Fence price. Is it a capital P? It's a capital P. So you gotta check out your capitals in Python coding. So capital P. The total price is 4,024. Pleasure doing business with you. Okay, so let me explain how this even works. First of all, perimeter. You know math. It's the width 2W plus 2H. So width plus height is the perimeter. Okay, so each fence costs 3 per meter. You can see right over here. So the perimeter is in meters. So you multiply each. So you get the perimeter, and you multiply it by the fence price to get the price of all the fences in the garden. Then you find the area, which is h times w, or breadth times w, or whatever you want to call it. Use lawn price to calculate the line cost. So total cost is lawn price plus area. Yes, so that's it. But we forgot to add the price of the fence, because we need the fences too to protect it from whatever animals are there lurking in the mountains. So we get the lawn price plus times the area to get the cost of the whole thing, the main garden. Then we add the fence price. so that we get the right amounts. So then you say the total price is the total cost, and you pay the bill. And it says pleasure doing business with you. So let's see what happens if we underpay. We underpay, he's gonna say it's not enough. If we overpay, what if we keep an amount that's absurd? He'll say you don't have so much money. So what if we pay a bit one more? Haha, you overpaid, no refund. So it's better if we just stick with the cost. So if we don't overpay, this guy's mean, he doesn't give us a refund. If we play nice, he goes like okay. But if we underpay, he's like, man, that's not enough. If we say that we're gonna give him too much, he's like, you don't have that much money. So you pay him his amount. He says, pleasure doing business with you. Okay. So let us go and check how we even got the height and width. Okay. So get information about the garden. Foreman. Here are the finance friends. I think these guys are our foremen. They give us information about the plot. So our foreman. Okay, so we define them. The corners are the corners. They give us the corners. Then the bottom left, bottom right. So width is top right. So the top right dot y. So it's the length minus the bottom left dot x. So it will take the x and the y, and it will check the difference. So the x is this, the y is this, so it'll take the y of the top, take the x of the bottom, which gives us the height. Then we check the y of the top right, then the x, we take the y of the top right, we take the y of the top right, and then we take the y of the bottom left. So if we take both y's, then we have this in the middle, so which leaves us with the width. That perimeter, width plus width plus width plus height plus height. Fence is the fence price times perimeter, so then you get the price of the fence. Next in areas, the height times width. Total cost is the lawn price times area. So you get the total cost of the garden inside. Then you get the cost of the fence around it. Then you go like, you can just delete this because you can rename the variable to whatever you want. Okay, here let's say the total price is total cost, pay the bill. Foreman dot bill is total cost. And yep, the total cost is 4. It says pleasure doing business with you. We're all happy. Yep. And let's see what happens if you choose violence. So Ed, Fred, what if you go hero dot attack Foreman? He still takes it, and he's literally practically immortal because he literally has so much health. Yeah, you can kill all the peasants if you want. This boy doesn't care, but this guy is practically immortal, so you cannot hurt him. These guys don't get angry at you if you do, but they're like kind of his bodyguards. So yeah, so we just paid the price for the garden. It's accurate. We're happy. And yeah, so this is it. So what do we use in this level? Okay, first of all, we learned how to calculate the price of a garden and its fence. Second of all, we learned about how to find the width and height just using corners. Third, we learned how to find the area, the price, the perimeter, and the total cost. And we learned how to find the width and height just using chords. And yes. So yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And this is Cody with Gautam. And yeah, just before we leave, you know that the summit tricks you, so don't try to be too smart and just type in a random amount. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Enjoy your weekend. This is Cody with Gautam. I will see you next time. Have a good day. Have a great day. And Bye. I'm signing off.